Now after we filled in this whole information, we can come back up and review the rest of the tables, analysis and investment. You can also see your daily and hourly rates for each scenario on top, which is very convenient if you want to remember your price bracketing. Inside the analysis table, we can find the whole breakdown in one place. The first section, called Assumptions, shows your information that you entered below. Here we can see our revenue, number of deals, leads and traffics, taxes, net profit, expenses, and actual profit. An additional row which is called Actual Profitability Percentage, which shows the percentage of how much actual profit we get from our earned revenue. The second Actual section is for you to fill in your current earnings and situation. In order for you to show the right numbers, you have to enter the number of months that are left until the end of this year. Let's say 4 months left and we are behind our schedule. Let's say we only earned half of the revenue than we planned and accomplished less deals than we expected. Then you will be able to see how much you have to put away for taxes and expenses and how much will you keep as profit. According to your information in Actual section, the third section shows the difference of how much you still have to generate in order to stay on course and reach your planned revenue under the section of Assumptions. You will see how much revenue you still have to generate, and that will require a specific amount of deals at such average check. You can also see how much taxes you still will have to pay and overall expenses that you will need to cover, as well as how much profit will go into your pocket. This section is very helpful and allows you to plan ahead and kind of see the future. There is an additional bonus section on the right called Revenue by Actual Profit. It allows you to see how much of revenue you will need to generate in order to receive your desired amount of actual profit. This one is not necessary but might be interesting to check. Let's say you want to gain an actual profit of 10,000 per year, and it will use the data that you entered below and calculate it accordingly. And then there is a rest of the breakdown that you can check.